I'd say the main feature is that this year we are trying to promote a theme called Polo for the masses. Polo is normally considered an elite game, upper end of society. But this year we want Hyderabadi citizens to come here in large numbers. And we're going to let them in, come in free. There's no ticket. And come in free to the extent that we can accommodate people. Maybe about 6,000 people at one time. And particularly focusing on the younger people. Half of India is less than 25. So we want younger people to come in and see this game and maybe get enthusiastic about the game. Yeah, we have approached the schools and colleges and also the NCC, which is prevalent in all schools and colleges, to send maximum children and students. So we are reserving space for them, apart from allowing citizens to come in. And it's not for monetary benefit. It is only to encourage the sport. There is no royal patronage as such. It is basically that all the organizational work is done by the army, and whatever support, financial support, the government is supporting us. Whatever support comes, it comes through the Indian Polo Association. We don't deal with any finances. The Indian Polo Association supports our the bison riding in polo. Yeah, it is part of the season. And as you know, we just finished the Bangalore polo season in the first week, last week of August. On 30th was the finals of the Bangalore polo season. And thereafter now the Hyderabad polo season has got going. And otherwise you have Jaipur, Delhi and Jodhpur, which are the main, other than Hyderabad. But Hyderabad is a very important part of the polo circuit. And also Hyderabad has got a rich polo tradition. We had 17 grounds in Hyderabad, and we have a rich cavalry tradition during the Nizam's time. But now there's only this one ground, and that's where it's happening. Even now the most, the highest handicapped Indian players are from Hyderabad. The Ali brothers, they are from Hyderabad, and polo comes from cavalry, people fighting on horses, and Hyderabad Lancers are very famous. They've taken part in the Battle of Haifa in one of the last cavalry charges. The people of Haifa celebrate this on 23rd of September every year. But in India, nobody celebrates it. They lay flowers on the graves of Indian soldiers who died to liberate that town from the German and Axis powers. But in India, nobody remembers that. And the Teen Murti in Delhi, there's a Teen Murti. Those three statues at the Teen Murti outside the old Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's house represent the Hyderabad Lancers, the Mysore Lancers and the Jodhpur Lancers. Three regiments which took part in the Battle of Haifa. On 23rd of September every year in this town called Haifa in Israel, they celebrate Haifa Day and they offer tribute and flowers to the graves of the soldiers who died to liberate the town. I'm sure if people are interested, why is cricket so popular? Because the people are interested. If the people are interested, polo will become as good as cricket. That's what I believe. Thank you very much. Thank you.